Hey everybody, Becky Kilimnik here. We need to talk about your PowerPoints. The other day, I got an email from a friend, and the gist of the email was something along the lines of, I just got this horrible PowerPoint to edit, and I'm afraid to show it to you because it would burn your eyes. So after I got done laughing, I begged her to send it to me, and yeah. So I feel like it's my duty as a designer and a human being to tell you about 3 things you absolutely should not do in your PowerPoint presentations. Mistake number 1, putting too much on a slide. So when you're reading a magazine article, there's all that text, you know, the actual article. And then there's all these other things. There's these beautiful graphics at the top of the page, your headlines, your call-out quotes. These things help you engage with the article, draw you in, make you more interested. The same goes for your PowerPoint slides. All of that meat, all of what you're really trying to say, you should be up there saying it. And the PowerPoint slides serve as your headings, your images, and your graphs, maybe some pull-out quotes that accompany what you're saying. If you try to jam everything you're trying to say up on that PowerPoint slide, well, first of all, no one's going to be listening to you anyway because they're going to be trying to read it. And secondly, what are you doing anyway? Do you not know what you're trying to say? If you're really concerned about detailed information being missed, that's where your handout comes in. Do not give them printouts of the slides, especially not itty-bitty tiny slides that have like 5 lines on there for them to take notes. Oh my God, I hate that. Give them something useful and make your PowerPoint work for you. Make it enhance what you're saying, not dictate it. PowerPoint mistake number 2, putting in charts and graphs that are completely unintelligible. Now, if you're putting in a graph to be pretty, yeah, sure, throw in all the bells and whistles. But if you're putting in a chart to show data and to make a convincing argument, then it should be as simple as possible. No drop shadows, no 3-dimensional bar graphs, and for goodness sakes, no pie charts. Our brains do a better job of understanding differences between values when they're represented by lines, not by area. It's easier to see which of these products are doing better versus which of these products are doing better. Be sure to check out my video on line mistakes to see how you can reduce the clutter in your charts by reducing background noise. And PowerPoint mistake number 3, don't use copyrighted images that don't belong to you. Okay, you're a professional, right? This is a professional presentation. So why does your graphic have a watermark from a stock photography site? It's in really bad taste. It makes it look like you didn't care, you didn't notice, and you didn't spend very much time putting this thing together. Select your imagery carefully. Do more than just a Google search and choose the first image. And if you're giving some sort of presentation where people have paid to be there, do your due diligence and make sure you're not breaking the law by using images that don't belong to you. Thanks for watching. Now go make your PowerPoints beautiful. And if you're looking to improve your creative skills, please check out one of the classes I'm offering at www.kilimnik.com/classes.